Hello and welcome to the second tutorial video for setting up a DIS in central unit. This time we're going to be configuring, setting up the microphone side of the system. I've set up two microphones so far, we'll just plug them in for just now, and that is going in on the second output of the CU. There, so we have the interpreters on the first, and then we've got the microphone system on the second. Now you can actually mix and match interpretation system and microphone system on the same chain. So what I will do is, at this moment in time, I will put in the chairman's microphone. So this is what we're using for the chairman's microphone. So I will. This one has a touch screen on it, as well as your speak and mute buttons, and we plug in here, and what I will do is I will plumb this one just to show that we can do daisy chain in any systems. I'll plumb that one into the link on the interpreter chain, and then on the, put that back on again, on this one, this is the main line for the, say, the microphones that would be on the boardroom table, or the body of the kirk, as we like to say in Scotland. So we then, these just daisy chain together, can daisy chain on a line, and they just connect together, and then the next one would go on from that. These units are now self-terminating. The older style system used to have a terminator in. If you get any problems on the line, then put in a terminator, and that may sort out the problems. So having got all your microphones and everything else like that all set up, we can now switch on the CU. So from the interpreter setup video that we did earlier, we set up the interpreter consoles and we saved the configuration. So in theory, when we switch back on again to configure the microphones, the interpreter consoles should come back up as configured in their English and Arabic setup. You can see here the microphone discussion system is registering, got lots of flashing lights on the microphone discussion system, and you'll also see here we now have a display on the touch screen of the control microphone, or president's microphone. So while those continue to register on the microphones, you can see here the saved config of the interpreter consoles has saved and has come back up again, no problems at all. So how are we doing back here? There we go, it's just gone back to its menu, which is all fine. Now, theoretically what we should have now is the microphones should be able to switch on and off by themselves, together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have loudspeakers in the base, so it gives a voice raising level around the table. And when we look at the touch screen of the president's microphone, when a microphone switches on, it's seen on the screen here. One too many. But what we can do is, if the president starts to hear the feedback, we can switch off microphones here. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. What you also do is the chairman can mute microphones. 1, 2, 1, 2. Can switch all delegates off. Ding. So the microphones are very simple. They just daisy chain up, switch them on, they auto register, and you can control them from this system here. And that basically is how you set up the microphones. Very simple. Thank you for watching.